In 1972, a crack commando unit was sent to prison by a military court for a crime they didn't commit. These men promptly escaped from a maximum security stockade to the Los Angeles underground. Today, still wanted by the government, they survive as soldiers of fortune. If you have a problem, if no one else can help, and if you can find them, maybe you can hire
Mr. Moore! That's right, guys. Welcome to my online class to help you out with Year 11 math methods. Now, I am excited because at the moment, and as you guys should be too, at the moment you're at home, relaxing, not having to worry about being at school right now, and you're able to do it from the comfort of your own home. You're learning from at home. This is fantastic. But I don't feel it's fair that you guys can be just wearing whatever, chilling out, watching my video, and I have to be dressed up like this. So wait a second, I'm gonna slip into something more comfortable, and that way, the comfier we are, the easier it's gonna be for us to learn. I'll be back in a sec. There we go, I'm back. All right, how much more comfortable does this look? I feel so much more comfortable. I feel like I can teach much more, many more high-powered moves, help out with the board. Got plenty to get through though. We're not here to see my high-powered dance moves. We're here to learn today about rates of change. Now, rates of change are basically in everyone's everyday life. You know, you're driving your car down the street and you're driving at around about 20 kilometers an hour, right? Pop, 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 pop. 20 kilometers per hour, the word per indicates it's a rate, all right? Another one could be, you know, your heart rate, you know, 10 beats, 60 beats per minute. Dum, 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 dum. Maybe watch a bit of Miley Cyrus dancing from the little awards the other night. And it goes up to about 100 beats per minute. Dum, 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 dum. And then everyone here probably has a job, all right? You're earning so many dollars per hour. Now, what was common about all of those things was the word per. 20 kilometers per hour. Beats per minute. The word per, if it's got the word per in it, it means it's a rate. Because it's something that's happening over something. Right? Something that's changing as such. Now, rates can change, all right? They don't always have to be the same, you know? You don't always have to earn $20 per hour. They can actually be constant, which I'm going to show you right now.
Rates of change. Now, a constant rate of change is when a rate of change of one quantity with respect to another does not alter. Now, what's all this mumbo-jumbo mean? Well, let's just take this picture of the petrol price that you can see up on the screen now. Okay, as you can see there, the price of petrol is $1.52.9 cents a litre, so 152.9 cents per litre. Remember, the word per means that it's a rate of change, cents per litre. Alright, so if we have a think about this, let's go through and do some maths and we'll plot the points on the graph. So let's just say we've got, for 10 litres, we'll go $1.52 or 1.529 times 10 litres is equal to $15.29. Okay, for 20 litres, $1.529 times 20 litres is equal to $30.58. For 30 litres, $1.529 times 30 litres is equal to 45.87. And let's go for 40 litres because that's how much my little buzz box holds. 1.529 times 40 litres equals 61.16. Alright, so let's just do a quick little table of this, for example. So, putting this information in, we would have litres and cost, 10 litres was equal to 15.29. 20 litres was equal to 30.58. 30 litres is equal to 45.87, and 40 litres, well, it's here, but we can't fit it into the table. Right, what we're going to go through and do now is we're actually going to plot these points. So if you've got 10 litres at 15, it's $15.29. So here we have our cost, and here we have our litres. Alright, so for 10 litres, $15.29 comes up to around about here. Alright, for 20 litres, $30.58 comes up to around about here. Alright, 30 litres, $45.87 comes up to around about here. And for 40 litres, $61.16 comes up to around about here. Now, for anyone who's able to see that, you can actually see that this is actually forming a straight line. Going through each one of those. Now, why is that forming a straight line? Well, it's basically because the cost of petrol does not change at all the whole time we're putting the money in. Alright, it's the whole time it's $1.52.9. So that means it's going up by a constant amount each time. Now, telling if it's a constant rate, well, rate basically is gradient. So if you have a look at here, the gradient, the steepness of this curve, the steepness of this line is constant the whole way, so therefore it's a constant rate. If you had a graph, for example, that looked like this, where the steepness of the graph is getting bigger as you walk along or changing as you walk along, then it's not constant and it's actually a variable rate. So let's just think about it. You're a little dude, Mr. Moore right here, he's about to walk up this hill. This hill here starts off nice and easy, but then as he gets higher and higher and higher, it becomes harder and harder. Whereas if Mr. Moore walks up this hill here, it's the same the whole way. Still difficult, but it's the same the whole way. This one here is a constant rate of change. Constant. Because the gradient is the same the whole way. This is variable. Because the gradient is actually changing the whole way. So basically, rates of change, just to sum up, rates of change is equal to gradient.